You are going to love the 2013 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, power brakes, braking assist, electronic messaging assistance with read function, sync, satellite communications, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.